Okay, by removing the rotor, we can see, looking at the hub, that there's quite a bit of rust buildup underneath that hub. Where people fall short in a lot of cases, they don't clean the hub. If you not clean the hub, what ends up happening is you induce additional runout within that rotor, and shortly after you do the brake job, the vehicle will be back with a pedal pulsation. Okay, now it's imperative that we clean this hub. You can see the rust buildup. Where technicians fall short sometimes is they use a tool like this, a little sanding disc. That works great in the areas around the studs, but you never get behind the stud. A tool that works extremely well is a cleaning tool on the end of a drill or air drill, and it cleans that area. Now that we got the hub cleaned up, as you can see this area here, I like to go back and just finish up with this brush here to clean the hub area before I install that rotor.